Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's lesson, we'll cover how to set up your mail server for Gmail and be able to send emails like quotations and invoices from within the system itself under your name and email. Let's get started. First, open Google and type in the search bar, Google Cloud Platform, then press Enter. Look for the result with title, Google Cloud Platform as seen in the screen. First, head over to the Google Cloud website to set up your Gmail. Click on Select a project. Then, click on New Project. Enter your project name, in this case Invent ERP. Next, click on Create. Click the notification icon. And then click on Select Project. View detailed project information for Invent ERP. To do that, go to the side menu. Now, go to the APIs and Services section, and click on OAuth consent screen. Select External, then click Create. Enter your app name. Again we will enter Invent ERP as seen on screen. And enter your Gmail email. Now, let's scroll down to the Authorized Domain section and click on Add Domain. Enter inventerp.com as your authorized domain. Continue scrolling down to the Developer Contact Information section and enter your Gmail email ID address, then click Save and Continue. Click Save and Continue. Scroll down to the Test Users section, then click on Add Users. Enter another Gmail email and click Add. Click Save and Continue. Now, click on Back to Dashboard. Click on the Publish app. Then Confirm. Go back to your Invent ERP Cloud account. Navigate to the side main menu. Let's go to the Administration section, then Configuration, and then click on Settings. Go to Technical, then Mail Server option. Click Add. Enter a description for your mail server, for example, main email. From the Authenticate Using section, choose Gmail OAuth Authentication. Copy your OAuth 2 redirect URL by clicking on the copy icon. Now back to the Google Cloud website. Go to the Credentials section from the side menu. Click on Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. From the Application Type dropdown, choose Web Application. Enter a name for your OAuth client. Again, we can use Invent ERP for instance. Scroll down to the Authorized Redirect URIs section and click Add URI. Now paste the URL you copied from the Invent ERP page. Then click Create. Copy the client ID. Go back to Invent ERP and paste it in the Client ID section. Return to Google Cloud and copy the client secret. Then, go back to Invent ERP and paste it in the Client Secret section. In the Username section, enter your Gmail address that you just configured. Click on Create. Scroll to the bottom and click the Connect Your Gmail Account button. Sign in to your Gmail account and click Continue. If you see the message, Google hasn't verified this app, click on Advanced. Then select Go to inventerp.com. Click Continue. You'll be redirected to the Invent ERP website. Scroll down to ensure the Token Valid button is green. Scroll up and, in the top left, click on the Test Connection button. And there it is. Connection is successful. Your Gmail account is now configured and linked to your Invent ERP account. That was a quick glance at setting up your Gmail account in Invent ERP, the keystone to your business success. Should need further assistance, we are one click away. Create your technical support ticket and we shall revert back to you soon.